Hello everyone, this is Joe Picks. I'm Joe, and today I have this beautiful brass Ruko oval cylinder that I got from Peter Lewis, Irish lockpicker. This is a 5-pin. Key works beautifully. I'm going to use my pick in 23 thousandths from Butcher's Block. I haven't picked with this one yet. I've picked with the 1 in 15 thousandths. Both of these use bare bones steel for the picks. There's a little bit of a false set there. Try to see who's talking to me here. Oh, I was just caught up on one. Just an ever so slightly. So let's move this out of the way. Grab the old pinning tray here. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Now, how on earth do we take this out? I wonder if this is one that I have to use these little squeezy guys with. I'm not sure because I can't get them in between there. Well, I don't know. Let's try just getting in here with them. Maybe with like a screwdriver or something. Yeah, sadly this is one of the ones you have to deform. But it's brass, so it just goes right back in place. Nice. All right, let's get our key in. This banged up shim in here. Oh, it has wafers. I think. Well, that's, yeah, sure does. So this is so far mastered in every chamber. So mastered in the first 3 chambers. I wonder if the key works without the mastering. Definitely not. Yeah, certainly required. I didn't even put that in the right slot, by the way. But yeah, still can't confirm. Sorry if I just bumped the camera with my noggin. All right, so enough of that. Is there anything special in here? Never picked a Ruko before. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Isn't that a gin bottle spool? Gin bottle? But there is no counter milling for that. That's the same in 2. That explains the false set and then distinctly a lack of feedback for counter rotation. There is a much shorter one, but still the same. Another short one. And another short one. How very, very cool. There we have it. This really, really beautiful old brass Ruko. I don't know what model or anything. There's some numbers on the side and a couple numbers on the back. Numbers and letters. Anyway, thanks again, Butcher's Block, for the wonderful pick. Peter Lewis, thank you again. Absolutely thrilled to be diving into these locks. And that's all I got for you today. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to see more. And have a great day. Thank you.